Hey there, this is Matt Cosgrove. I'm the illustrator of Worst Week Ever, and I'm going to show you guys how you can draw Captain Fluffykins, the most miserable cat in the entire planet. He's really easy and really fun to draw. So to start with, what you need to draw is two U's next to each other like this. Alright, now once you've got those two U's, then you just draw three straight lines across the top like that. And same thing over this side, three straight lines across the top like that. And we draw a dot here for one pupil, dot here for his other pupil. And I'm going to draw a curved line under here, curved line over here. Then in the middle of those U's, we're going to draw an upside down triangle like that, straight line down. Then an upside down U for his grouchy mouth. I'm going to draw three dots in a triangle formation here, three dots in a triangle formation there, and two straight lines here for his whiskers, straight lines here for his other whiskers. Up the top here, we're going to draw his ears. So that's just sort of a curved pointy line like that. Curved line over here, and a curved pointy line for his other ear. Now we're going to draw his head, and that's just kind of a blobby shape. Work our way around here like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Back here up to this ear. Alright, cool. Next is his collar. So that's just a curved line like that. Then a circle for the tag. Then his initials C and F for Captain Fluffykins. Next up we're going to draw his front paws, which is just sort of a stretched out U shape. I'm going to draw two lines here, two lines there, and then just three little triangles for his claws. He loves to scratch. Next up I'm going to draw his body, which again is just kind of like a blobby shape going around like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't matter if it's a bit wonky or wobbly. Next up I'm going to draw those two little lines and the three little triangles, two little lines and three little triangles. And then out the side here, I'm going to kind of do a big zigzaggy line going up like this to form his tail. And that is it. That is how you can draw Captain Fluffykins. How'd you go?
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to check out more cool videos, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. K-Zone you later.